Samantala, pag-uugnay kay DILG Secretary Mar Rojas sa NGO na konektado kay Janet Lim Napoles, itinuturing po na malisyoso ng Malacanang at target sa tourist arrivals nasa 50% na ang nakakamit ayon sa pamahalaan. May karagdagang detalye ng balitang yan si Elena Luna. Live po by Pumunpatch mula sa Malacanang. Elena?
Maraming salamat, Kirby. Tumaas nga ang bilang ng foreign tourist arrivals sa Pilipinas. Sa conference kanina ni Secretary Edwin Lacerda, sinabi niya na tumaas ito ng 11% at pinakamaraming foreign visitor ng Pilipinas ay mga Koreano.
Foreign visitor arrivals for the first 7 months of the year aggregated to 2,798,881, or an increase of 11.05% from the same period in 2012, maintaining the growth momentum recorded in the first half of the year. The first 7 months corresponded to 50.9% of the 5.5 million target arrivals for 2013. Arrivals in July amounted to 418,288, the second highest record during the year and the first for the said month over the past years. Korea remains the largest source market with 706,998 visitors, or a total of 25.26% of the total inbound traffic, recording a double-digit growth rate of 22.30%. Following at second place is the United States of America with 417,904, while China rose to third place, overtaking Japan and posting the strongest growth among the top markets with 48.58%. Other important source markets with double-digit gains include Russian Federation, which is 34.36%, Indonesia, 26.70%, Saudi Arabia, 23.24%, France, 19.95%, Thailand, 18.07%, and India, 17.07%. Maraming salamat.
Sa press briefing din kanina ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, sinabi niya na nakahanda si DILG Secretary Mar Rojas na harapin ang akusasyon sa kanya kaugnay ng paggamit ng pork barrel. Sinabi ni Lacerda na ang iniuugnay na NGO kay Secretary Rojas ay hindi konektado sa NGO na ikinakabit kay Janet Lim Napoles.
Look at the special audit report of the COA on the 2007-2009. KACI is not listed as one of those which are considered bogus NGOs which have any relation to Janet Napoles. Secondly, the KACI explained how they spent the funds provided by the PDAF of then Senator Mar Rojas. What that organization has to explain, that NGO has to explain to COA is why did it spend that part of that fund to provide financial assistance to its employees. That's the question that particular KACI should answer. Si Secretary Mar Rojas, as we understand, is very transparent. If there are any documents that are requested from him, he's willing to provide. So there was no. That's why he was surprised that there was a statement that he was not prepared to provide documents. He is willing to provide all the documents, and there has been this is only a 5 million fund that was being stated. I don't know why this is being made an issue. So, in his years of public service, Secretary Mar Rojas has never been tainted with any allegation of anomaly. So, if you're asking Secretary Mar Rojas willing to provide documents, yes, he's willing to provide documents, and all these can be found in the audit report of COA.
Sa schedule naman, Kirby, ni Pangulong Aquino ngayong araw, wala siyang public appearance pero abala siya sa 3 meeting. Nagsimula ito kaninang 10 a.m. kasama ang security cluster ng gabinete. Ongoing naman ngayon ang meeting ng Pangulo kasama si Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr., si Justice Secretary Leila de Lima at Budget Secretary Florencio Abad. Mamaya namang alas 3 ng hapon ang meeting niya sa mga kinatawan ng Department of Finance at Trade and Industry. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako si Elena Luna para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.